Well, I made it. I'm currently on a spontaneous wild camp. We had 2 days in the week which got to about 18 degrees here, which is crazy for the end of March. I get a little break from building my tiny house. As you probably saw in the last video, the plywood board's now on, and the building wrap and the house wrap. I've ordered the metal corrugated roofing sheets and they're coming in about 10 days now. I've spoken to Salamander Stoves. I'm waiting on a quote from them. What else have I done? Oh yeah, cladding. So I was debating either cedar or larch. Cedar is it's not as heavy as larch, but it's more expensive. So I'm going to go with some Siberian larch, which is really resistant to rot and quite good with like the elements. So I'll put in a request with a local company. That's quite exciting. And then after that would be like windows and doors I was looking at. And then I guess the electric, the plumbing and the gas pipes. And then once all they're sorted, I can then fit the insulation, put the inner plywood wall in, and then I guess go from there. The next step, like start putting in the kitchen, like the bathroom, the sofa area. My sister's coming in a few weeks to stay with me because we can now move around a bit more freely in the UK. She'll be staying locally, not with me. So that's exciting. So I thought I'd have a little break and wild camp here for the night. Hopefully it doesn't get too cold, but we'll see. For my supper, I've got some wild garlic pasta. So I used wild garlic, mixed it with pine nuts and some oil to make this appetizing pesto pasta. So that is my supper for the evening. So yeah, I'm going to sit back, relax and enjoy the evening unfolds.